Two Howards in one day, that's something. Anyhow, good morning everyone and welcome to a sunny Loftus. When I looked out of my house this morning, just down in the Shire, where I've been adopted down there, it was raining hard, but the sun is shining on us this morning. What I'd love to say is thank you for the invite. I think there's some parallel worlds here, Howard, because you look after the oldest Australian tramway here, and I have the honour and responsibility of looking after Australia's oldest railway, otherwise now known as Sydney Trains. We also share responsibilities that I know in sort of 1950 and then 1965 you had the railway, your tramway, running alongside our railway, looking a little bit envious of our 4-foot, 8.5 track, and sure enough, after a short while, I think about 25 years it took, we gave up running our railway and it's now part of your network. So we share a lot of heritage. You know, transport is all about people. It's very great to have the infrastructure at this great historic location, but what made this place great was the people, the volunteers, every one of you turned up day in, day out, laying bricks and concrete, doing all sorts of stuff to get this railway. It's worldwide as a tramway. Everyone knows about, some people call it Loftus, some people call it Sydney Tramway, but everyone knows this is a place to come to and enjoy the atmosphere of a real live tram. You know, Sydney had the biggest, one of the biggest tram networks of the Southern Hemisphere. One day we might have a fairly big network. I'm looking forward to seeing that because these things are fantastic transport of the future as well as the past. So thank you so much, you know, for inviting us here today. What is a POM doing, you know, reenacting this 50-year event? Well, I love this place, it's fantastic. In 1908, one of my relatives played telegraph poles down here in New South Wales, and he never went back, so you never know. This might be my future as well. Anyhow, I'm delighted to say, friends, volunteers, thank you so much for coming along. Peter Lowry, nice to see Peter, our chair, has come along as well from Transport Heritage, tourism, we're all gathered here today. So I'm not going to talk anymore now because otherwise the rain will start. But we're going to start off with trying to reenact it. Thank you very much. Thank you. Everyone.
I'm pleased to be part of this. Loftus also been my ward, this is their ward, and it's something that is wonderful to have as part of the world. The trams are fantastic. It's good to see everyone here come in and reenact this after 50 years, and I just hope that everyone enjoys it. Enjoy this.
Larry and Older Gold Ribbon, which just frame is hanging out right now. And Howard is going to take the control for the tram. Train driver.
I was a tube train driver many years ago, so I should be
Right. Now, if our invited guests would like to, as soon as we go through the ribbon, they can board the front compartment and the rest of you squeeze into the other compartments or in the other train behind it. Thank you very much.
Is this a rehearsal or is this the real thing? Real thing.
Stand back. Stand back. Well done.
Where's me?
Thanks.
Hey.
Thanks.
You're in the way, son.